Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 4. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. The linkage starts palm up in slot 2-3 and begins with a twisted sonic reverse to 3-4. We then transition palm down and perform an inverse flush sonic from 3-4 to 1-4. The inverse flush sonic is interrupted by an uninterrupted index around reverse to 1-2. The rotation continues with a shadow ending in T1. Then we turn palm side and execute a thumb round extended. The linkage finishes with an index bust to 1-2. The entire linkage looks like this. This linkage incorporates a palm down around after an inverse flush sonic, which can be good to know for more complex technical linkages incorporating middle in and ring out slots. Thanks for watching. You can see the previous linkages on my channel and check out the future ones in the Spindys Discord server. See you next week.